Hello, today we will guide you through how to record a refund check from a vendor in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll capture a vendor refund by using a vendor credit so your expenses and vendor balance stay accurate. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Online and heading to your main dashboard. From here, look toward the upper left area of the screen for the Create menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a New or Create button. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the available transaction types. From the list that appears, choose Vendor Credit. This form is designed to record money or value coming back from a vendor for items returned, overpayments, or pricing adjustments. It's the best place to log the details behind the refund so everything ties back to your original expense. At the top of the vendor credit form, select the vendor who issued the refund check. Make sure you pick the same vendor used on the original bill or expense so QuickBooks can connect the credit to that vendor's history. If you track vendor addresses or tax IDs, you don't need to re-enter them here. Just confirming the correct vendor is enough. Next, scroll to the Category Details section. In the Category column, choose the expense account that was used on the original purchase, such as office supplies, utilities, or cost of goods sold. This ensures the refund offsets the right expense in your financials. If the original purchase covered more than one category, mirror that layout with multiple lines so the amounts reduce the same accounts. You can also add a brief description to remind yourself why the refund was issued, like return of defective items or price adjustment. Enter the refund amount in the amount field. Use the exact figure from the check to avoid reconciliation issues later. Double-check the date at the top of the form so it matches when you receive the refund, and consider adding the check number in the reference or memo area for easy tracking. If the original expense was marked billable to a customer, you can use the customer field to associate this credit back to that customer. If it wasn't billable, simply leave this field blank. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. Your vendor credit is now recorded and appears in the vendor's profile, ready to be applied against related bills or reviewed during your regular vendor management. That's it. You've successfully recorded a refund check from a vendor in QuickBooks Online, keeping your accounts clean, consistent, and audit ready.